was told that it was a very good clinic. I came over to have an appointment, and I was surprised with this service. I was a little nervous, but again, the team was very professional and also very confident in what they were doing. So I was just on my phone, sending text messages, working, listening to music, and the time went fast. It was easy. It was fast. The first 3 days, it was just a little bit of a pain, just because you don't sleep flat. I was sitting, but after that, it went pretty well. Big time. I feel a lot of confidence now. I feel more myself. I can enjoy more whatever I do without caring of how I'm gonna look or things like that. Big time. I definitely love to recommend you guys to other people.